The Insta360 X4 clearly sets the benchmark when it comes to 360 video capture, with that incredibly good ability to create a floating video camera effect with no accessories in view. Adding and hiding audio receivers is also a simple task though, so let's go ahead and hook up Rode's flagship wireless device, the Rode Wireless Pro. Just like the predecessor, the Insta360 X3, where we connected an external DJI mic system, the process is very similar with the latest flagship X4 and a Rode-based system. And that means we do still need to use an external microphone adapter unit to interface the two. Saying that, it looks just like the X3 version. It's still just as small and lightweight and carries the same matte black plastic construction, but strangely it seems this version is just for the X4 as noted on their website. So although the X3 and the X4 versions look the same, it seems they are not cross-compatible. Anyways, installation is just as easy. Simply remove the side door from the camera by opening and then pulling outwards to fully remove, making way for the audio adapter to be installed. Note that there is a small hook on the adapter just above the USB connector, and this hooks into the metal bar on the camera for some added security. So simply line up and insert the adapter, which clicks into place. It really is as simple as that. This now provides not only a 3.5mm input for an external microphone, but also a USB-C pass-through port on the underside, allowing external charging while using the setup, a nice little addition. And thanks to the slimline nature of the adapter, when capturing 360 footage, the adapter itself won't be seen. Talking of the stitch line, of course, while there's nothing stopping you from attaching your wireless microphone receiver and using as is, if you want to keep it hidden inside that stitch line so it's not seen in the final video capture, then you'll want this, an Insta360 X4 cold shoe mount. Although it is actually by the popular camera accessory manufacturer Ulanzi, the unit is available directly from Insta360, so maybe a partnership of some kind, but either way it's especially designed to fit Rode wireless microphones, including the Wireless Pro. Lightweight, compact and durable, the mount itself carries a tough metal construction and literally sits in between the X4 and whatever you're mounting the X4 to, which in most cases will most likely be a selfie stick. And once in place, it sits very firm to one side of the camera, so in that hidden area between the lenses. This now provides a means to clip the receiver into position, quick and easy. In fact, you even receive a shorter audio cable in the package, which is the perfect length to connect the receiver to the adapter, and by doing this we still keep the entire setup, including the cabling, in between those two lenses, so they should remain completely hidden when capturing 360 video. At this point we can go ahead and power the camera, where you'll notice a microphone icon in the top corner, along with a levels indicator, confirming an external microphone is attached and working. Just note that when using an external microphone, the camera's built-in audio modes are of course not supported, otherwise from this point you can capture video as normal. Okay, so here's for a quick audio test. I've got the Rode Wireless Pro microphone, just hand holding it for the moment here, connected to the Rode Wireless Pro receiver and the Insta360 X4. So hopefully audio should be nice and clear. There is a slight breeze. I've got a helicopter just above me, so I'm not sure whether you can pick up the sound of that, but there is a slight breeze. I do have the furry windscreen attached, so that should help, and we should still be getting nice clear audio capture. Now bear in mind, at those further distances of up to 280 odd meters, you do want to make sure the transmitter and the receiver are in direct line of sight. But otherwise this is like a one-man filming crew. I'm just walking back and forward here because I want to test the subject tracking as well. Now that helicopter up in the air is getting slightly closer, so I'm not sure whether you'll catch that in the audio or not, but otherwise this should be a good enough test to show you the audio quality of the Rode Wireless Pro with the Insta360 X4. So there we have it. Mix the fantastic and incredibly flexible nature of 360 video capture from the X4 along with the high quality audio from the Rode Wireless Pro, and you really do have a seriously powerful combination with a setup that's completely hidden from your captured video. A great setup that's seriously hard to beat.